In this video, we're going to show you how to replace the lower side marker on your GMC K1500. This will be located on the nose of the vehicle. Let's get started. We're going to remove the 4 Phillips head screws for this lower headlight. Remove the assembly. We're going to get this housing out of our way. To do that, we're going to push on these tabs and twist counterclockwise and remove the bulbs. We're going to remove the bulb for the side marker. To do this, we're going to twist it counterclockwise and remove that connector. To remove the side marker light, we're going to remove the 2 13mm nuts inside of there. Remove the nut and the side marker. Install the side marker. Get the nuts started. Snug them down. Make sure they're nice and snug. Install the bulb. Get the socket lined up and twist it clockwise till it locks into place. Install the bulbs. Twist them until they lock. Install the fixture. Get all of your bolts started. Snug down all of the bolts. And you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.